Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. There we go. All right, so should have had that coffee first, but this is page 40 of the Accelerators. 77, 83, 97A and B, 108 and 109. And just kind of worked my way through the Accelerators of Standard of Excellence Book 1. Because during the lunch break, I have time that I can do that. So first off, 77, and I look at this, I feel a tempo that's pretty quick, but I want to slow it down a little bit. 1, 2, and 3, 4. I'm going to go about this speed, a little slower. 2, 3. So I felt like I played that fairly well, but did not have enough air control. So I'm going to do it again with better air control. That worked better. This is 83. Keep in mind that these lines are in line with where you are in the book. So they're not always locked in page by page, but these are just where they push things forward. And here is 83. Okay, that was bad. I'll try that again. So the keys, I got the A flat. What did I mess up? Oh, the last measure. A, G, F to the D to the E flat. I did not, I missed that third leading into the tonic at the end. That's better. All right, 97A. This is a good lip exercise page or number. And let's finish it up. 97B. Same kind of setup, different lip work. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.